Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a 3D text effects using clipping mask. Type your main text in a bold, thick font and then duplicate it and offset slightly downward. Merge the two to create a 3D base layer and add an image texture above the top layer, and right click and choose creating clipping mask. Adjust image placement to emphasize light areas and apply bevel and emboss for realistic raised effect. Add a light gradient to the background and also use the brush tool for subtle highlights. And add a drop shadow behind the 3D text. Add color tones for unity. Merge layers to preview your 3D look. And add a tagline below the soft opacity